Hi, I would like to show you a rather fancy package I received from Backblaze, because I had one of my main drive fail, and I had to order a restoration drive because it was too large to download over the internet. And so they sent me a drive by mail all the way from the United States. And the good part here is that the cost of the drive and the shipment is actually refundable if I return the drive to them. But I'm not sure if I want to, because it's a rather good drive to have. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. So, here, some instructions on some pretty quality paper. How to install encryption software, because the drive is encrypted with a key, so that it won't get in the wrong hands, and it's only powered via USB, and it's a really good device to have. Western Digital My Passport. So I'm actually leaning towards keeping it. Oh, just wanted to let you know how it arrives from Backblaze. I'm impressed. Or not.